Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola One 5G Ace and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches and screen recordings on this device. So first launch the settings application and then tap to the display section. Click to advance and scroll all the way down. Then you'll see screen record section. Just tap here and to turn on and turn off the interactions in your video recordings, you should use this watcher just to turn it on or turn it off. Also, we have one more way how we can launch the screen recording settings. First, open the notification panel shortcuts and down you'll see here the screen record icon. Hold it for a while and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.